When people are experiencing pain, and that could be heel pain, and they see an ad on Facebook for a clinic that could help them, it doesn't necessarily mean that they're going to come into that clinic for that help straight away. You see, sometimes people need multiple exposures to that clinic before they make the decision to come in and get the help that they need. Facebook gives us the tool to be able to actually do that, to give people those multiple exposures. And in a moment, I'm going to share with you exactly how we can do it. Tim Lumsden's my name from Tim Lumsden Online, helping podiatrists and other healthcare practitioners with their Facebook advertising to generate leads, which means they can serve more patients, which ultimately means they can grow their clinic. Each week I come to you with a quick tip about Facebook advertising, either from a strategic point of view or from a technical point of view. Technical being the ins and outs on how to actually use the Facebook ads platform. So today we're going to talk about how to give people those multiple exposures on Facebook. Now, to start these, there always needs to be an initial contact point online for your clinic. Now that could be people who visit your website, or it could be people who view a video of your clinic on Facebook, or it could even be just people who go and check out your Facebook page. Let me paint a picture for you here. Imagine that you have an ad on Facebook targeting people who are likely to need help with heel pain. And the video is talking about heel pain and how it can be fixed, how you can help them with that heel pain. What we can do is, with the Facebook tools, is actually track people who are watching that video and then retarget them, meaning we can put another ad in their news feed for, say, a free resource from your clinic. And that free resource might be about more information that's going to help them with their heel pain that they can download, go away, have a read of. Then we can then give them another exposure on Facebook by retargeting them with an ad inviting them to actually come into the clinic with a great offer to get the help that they actually needed in the first place. But for some people, having these multiple exposures is what they need to actually give them the confidence that you as a podiatrist or as a healthcare provider can help them. If they believe that you can help them, then they're going to be far more likely to come in to see you after they've had these multiple touch points. Now, of course, some people don't actually need all these touch points. They'll just come in straight away because they know straight away they need to get that help. And that's okay. But for the people who aren't quite sure, you're actually going to capture them into your lead nurturing process by doing this. And that's a great thing for your clinic. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's quick tip. If you are looking to grow your clinic, you might be interested in following more of these quick tips on Facebook advertising. You can, of course, like us on Facebook, Tim Lumsden Online, where we will be releasing videos each week. Similarly, you can head over to our YouTube channel where you can subscribe, Tim Lumsden Online, and once again we'll be releasing these weekly videos. Or of course you can head over to our website, timlumsdenonline.com/quick tips, where you'll be able to once again see all of our videos. Or if you are a practice owner and you haven't got the time to run Facebook ads yourself, or maybe you have given them a go and you haven't got the results that you want, it might be time to speak to a team of experts who can help you with your Facebook advertising. If this sounds like you, head over to timlumsdenonline.com/podiatrists, where you can book in for a free strategy session. At that session, we can have a chat about whether we may be a good fit to help you with your practice and Facebook advertising. Have a great day. Bye.